So the today class, it's totally out of syllabus. Again, I'm telling you, today class, it's totally out of syllabus. It's a requirement based. For your information, it's a requirement based. Okay. What exactly the requirement? Requirement is, let me sketch it out. So right now you have a hybrid system that you already aware, right? This is your AD. This is your connector, right? This is your, oh sorry, not this one. This is your AD. This is your Entra Cloud. You have a one connector towards that, and your on-premises users are easily sync from here, then over the connector space, then metaverse, and then finally sync to cloud. That is your traditional hybrid system that you are already aware. What you are not aware, but it's a demand. See, when you learn something from your tuitions or classes, you can see everything can be easily made. I need a two servers come. I need a 3 domain controller come. I need a 3 connector come. But whenever you are in project, there each and everything comes as a budget. It will be considered as a budget. So the challenge started there, right? So what exactly the demand is? The approach is client have existing hybrid system, right? They're telling my current domain name is edutech.in, nice, and the cloud identity as well. They have purchased another company name is Global IT. Okay, globalit.com. Now traditionally what they can do, they may set up Entra ID Connect and then sync to cloud, right? Like what edutech.in does, but they don't want to do that. What they are telling that is my acquire, that is my sister concern, and I want that these domain should be enter here like these domain, so that both domain user can, they are using their own DNS. You have purchased and registered. Did you understand what I'm saying? Is that clear what I'm saying? Everyone clear that what exactly that demand? Now question is, am I audible everyone, right? Everyone is audible, right?
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay. Now question is, in order to add these, what are the prerequisites? The prerequisite, first you need to promote this domain according to your name, or if it is existing then no need to promote that part. But remember, both domain enterprise ID, enterprise access is required. Some company telling, I also have the child domain, I want that child domain also to be added here instead of parent domain. But in both the cases, you need an enterprise admin. Remember, the first prerequisite is enterprise admin. Then after, you need to open the port in between two forests. But here in our cases, there is no question of port, so we just block our firewall. That's it. And our disable our firewall. All will go. Then after, we will try to add. It's a first demand come. We are not sure whether it will be added or not. So it's kind of testing we are doing it today. It's a live testing, right? Okay, great. Now what we can do now, that is our globalit.com. So create one AD first. Okay, it's done. Now what we can do now, promote this server to a domain controller. I think that one everyone we know how to do it. Add a new first, globalit.com. Okay, what they're saying that your domain controller, the local administrator password is not set. No issue, no risk. So we'll open CMD run as administrator. So your domain is ready, globalit.com. Now we will set up conditional forwarder between two domains just to name resolution each other. Then we'll create forest root trust. हाँ बोलो। आज क्लास है, संडे लेते हैं भाई। तुम ज्वाइन तो कोई भी क्लास में कर सकते हो, अभी भी क्लास चल रहा है, इंटर क्लास ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। कौन सा वो जीपी आज रात में होगा, ज्वाइन करो। हम्म। सारे बैच यहाँ पे एडी इंटर का ही होता है, आप ज्वाइन कर लो ना। हम्म, कोई भी बैच में ज्वाइन कर लो, कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं। ठीक, ओके। So right now my AD is created perfectly. So for your information, it is not the lead that it can happen. It may not happen, it can happen, may not happen. It's a testing, I'm telling everyone. Okay. So first create on OU. Admin 8. Solar domain admin as well as enterprise admin. Okay, got it. That is the first prerequisite. Second prerequisite, stop the firewall. And go to advanced, not here. Right, please apply. Okay, then again properties, stop, make it off, make it off, make it off. Right, even firewall off, this port are allowed. Okay, the same things you do here. Okay, the next what you need to do is do the same thing for here as well. Open firewall.cpl. That could be the many problem if you are not doing this. You do a lot of troubleshooting and your practical will be fail if you are not performing this one. I'm telling you from my experience. First make this way allow, then make it off, and then make it off. Okay, perfect. Now you work for a name resolution. In that case, you need to create a conditional forwarder. Okay, so if you open CMD, first run your domain name nslookup and find out the name server name list. nslookup set edutech.in. You are getting only one IP, that is 10.10.10, right? Now go to here, nslookup globalit.com, right? 10.10.10.16, right? Perfect. Okay, now you open your DNS manager. Go to conditional forwarder. Put it here. edutech.in. IP address will be 10.10.10.10. Okay. Okay. Click on OK. Go to here. Open nsmgmt.msc. Right click, new conditional forwarder. That is globalit.com. And his IP address. Now try to resolve each other from edutech.in. Try to do nslookup. It's getting time out. You have to fix it fast. primary cause of it, it is on the not in same networks, so make it in the same networks. Okay, now you do, you will get. Do one thing, go ncta.cpl, first check, that is the reason, make it disable and enable. Yes, now go to here, it is already showing, make it disable and enable. Okay, perfect. Now do ns lookup, yes, it's resolving now. If you go to here, do ns lookup, yes, it's resolving now. Oh no, sorry. I'm right now in cradiotech.in, right? Do ns lookup globalit.com. Yes, right? And you are in here, ns lookup cradiotech.in. Perfect. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Great. This part is forward the domain itself. Okay. So now do one thing, give a small restart for better performance. Now I'm going to create a forest to trust between that two forests. Clear? I'm going to create forest root trust between that two forests. Once it is entered, then we'll go for Entra Connect and configure. Remember, if you go with Microsoft KB article, they are telling that trust is not dependent to add forest into the Entra Connect, but yes, it is required. It is required. Without trust, you cannot open haphazard port on your firewall, right? Perfect. Now what we can do now, again you do the NS lookup. Check your DNS service is up or not. Yes. Now here in this particular domain, I'm going to create a trust. So go open domain.msc. Right click. This is to your domain, right click properties, trust, right? New trust. Click on next. Trust name will be you are sitting in where? cdedutech.in. So put it globalit.com. It will be a forest trust. Two-way. Both the domain and specified domain. Now here you have to give your globalit.com administrative password. You have created admin one. Remember, given them enterprise admin, right? So put it admin 8. And check. Access denied. Great. So you have to give the full FQDN. Remember, it's a lesson learned. Oh, I'm giving wrong password. Sorry. Let's try once.
Prince Harry and Meghan are planning to move back to the UK in a matter of weeks. Yes, trust created successfully. Yes, I'll confirm outgoing trust as well. Yes, I confirm incoming trust as well. Finish. So click on it. Right click on properties. You can see now global IT trust created. If I go to globalit.com, open dsa.msc, you can see the trust in the search options. Perfect. That was our second prerequisite, trust created. Now I'm going to go here Entra Connect. Okay, that is our main things right now. We are going to do it. So in that case, first what you need to do in order to establish, this is very crucial part. Everyone please focus on it. Please focus on it. So open your Entra Connect. Click on yes. Better to open run as administrator. Okay.
service is not running. It's a common problem. Okay, go to services.msc. Make it start. Now again open run as an administrator. Acha, leave it. Give you a few second or few minute times to synchronize currently in progress. Exit. Okay. Click on configure. Then after, what you need to do, come to customize synchronization options. Now this is right that place where you can add another directories. Click on add directories. So there will be a one directory right now, add directories. What is your directory name? Admin 8. It should be enterprise admin, remember. It's telling domain specified credential could not be exist or cannot be coordinated, cannot be contacted. So in that case, do one thing: allow 389 port. DG Global IT, DC Global IT. it's true. That means over the 389 port it's accessible. Oh, okay, got it. Now what we can do now, to ns lookup, also in the NIC card properties, I'm adding one more DNS, 16. Admin 8. Just a second, hold on. So let's see. Yes, that actually the space we need, that was not happen. Now we will add it here. That was not showing there, it's showing only that domain. So in here, globalit.com. Now you existing one, Yes, we made it. Yes, we made it, brothers. So both the domain are currently showing right now. That was our intended practicals. Now you think it's a you are not understanding the value of it. It's a major things we have done today. $1 million will come, we will earn by my company if I show them in Monday morning. Yes, this is possible, and this is my project plan. And you are not imagining what we have done today. Only 3 peoples are there. It's a proof that we have done the milestone. Great, guys. It's not a big things. It's not a big things. Okay. So if you select any one domain, no, it's all will be showing there. Click on next. We'll install two. Um, Here basically you have to do it password has synchronizations, because pass through not works, I guess. Yes, pass through option not there. So only hash will be work. So the port firewall is very important. Please check before you made it. So in these practicals, we have made it two domain insert into the Entra Connect. Is that clear, everyone? At least give some clap, brothers. We have done a great job today.
Yes.
And I'm not believing that I could do this. Exactly. Now what you need to do, you have to purchase two external domain DNS and register in your Enter domain, Enter tenant, so that both domain user will be synced there, and according to the DNS registered there, you can create their UPN, right? Okay, for your information, guys, it was big class because lot of part we have done. We have created trust, we have done. So two classes have merged today. That topic was covered yesterday class, and yeah, last week class, and today class. Okay, next week I am also going for an official trip. So in absence the next week, I will arrange class tomorrow as well. So please join tomorrow morning as well for next week classes. Clear? Is that okay, guys? Tomorrow morning at 8 8:30 a.m. Yes. Shapan, is that okay now?
Yes.
Okay, great. Let me save that files.